This is Nick's victory. Would you care to explain, sir?
We are not hooked up to any internet source, and I'm getting some Glee action going on.
Awesome. I did not expect that to work, to be honest. I thought that was going to fail so hard, and it didn't.
Yeah.
Like, no Wi-Fi, nothing.
You just have to dream.
What are your thoughts, Grace? This is Nick's fiance for everyone on my channel that doesn't know. That's Grace. Hi,
I
Grace.
thought we were going to Walmart.
We are at Walmart.
We're here.
We're in the car. We're not in Walmart.
That is a valid point. I
So
think
it's a partial fail.
No. Okay.
Okay, well, I'm going to close this, and hopefully it'll work when we open it back up. That's the next test. We're testing everything from Netflix to YouTube things.
Netflix already failed, though.
Ah, yes.
Sadly.
Failed hard.
Nick's doing the happy dance. It worked. I'm playing soccer. I won. Yay me. We got the half-seas table. And the food. And the whoopty. That's what I said, right? Her whoopty drink.
It has a whoop in it.
Whoop whoop. But here's a side. I think it's a side shot. We'll see. You see, there's wall.
This song, I always think she's saying, I farted. I farted.
What song is it?
Doesn't it sound like that's what she's saying?
Oh, that's the Destiny's Child.
I farted. I farted. I have no idea what she's really saying.
Well, they're independent women, so they can fart if they want to. Don't judge. Don't judge. That is a very old Asian man. I wonder if he could teach me karate. I am trying the bonsai burger, and Nick is having that beautiful burger over there with many modifications, and Grace got the cowboy burger.
It's a bonsai burger
Nah, that's not what I heard.
with pepper jack cheese.
Hey, my booby for you.
It's a lot of old stuff. We are here at the Odessa Outlet Mall, where there is a Patricia's Foods and pretty much nothing else. This used to be, like, there used to be like a Mikasa up in here. Oh, there's a couple like little craft stores. There's the food court that probably has absolutely nothing in it anymore. Of course, you know, Hometown Wireless, Dress Barn, nothing. Bridal place, it's closed now. Used to be like a not Toys R Us, but what's the other one? KB up in here. I'm just farting a lot. But yeah, this used to be a lot more hopping place than it is now.
Hey, there's people laying on the ground over there.
Dead?
If she backs that thing up.
That ass.
When she backs up, it goes beep, beep.
Nothing here either.
Those are all lies. Look.
Route 21, Shoe Carnival.
Shoe Carnival.
Carnivore. There's a train club over there somewhere. Sounds hot.
I'm vlogging out.
They are closed. I'm not really sure how this is comfortable. But Buffy sure is comfortable. Buffy sure is comfortable. I wasn't gonna do a recap. But we had fun, and Buffy's on my lap. I should go to bed. I've got like an hour and a half to sleep. And I will go to bed. I just happened to sit down here to do internet stuff real quick. Buffy's getting up. Bye, Buffs. Bye. Oh, God. They've been at each other lately. So, they woke me up the other night. Like, swatting at each other. But anyway, they both happen to be sleeping with me, if that doesn't sound terrible. But anyway, it was fun, good food, and now I'm sleepy.